When learning a new language, one of the most important skills to develop is the ability to express your opinions. In Spanish, there are several useful phrases and structures that can help you share your thoughts and engage in meaningful conversations. Yo soy Lorena, and today we're gonna learn how to express your opinion in Spanish. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our updates. Okay, are you ready? Empecemos. Let's start with a basic structure for expressing your opinions. The first one would be creo que. Creo que. This is one of the most common and neutral ways to express your opinion. It works well in both formal and informal settings. For example, creo que esta película es muy interesante. Creo que deberíamos empezar temprano mañana. Another structure that you can use is en mi opinión. En mi opinión. This phrase is ideal for more formal situations or when you want to make it clear that you're sharing a personal view. En mi opinión, la educación es la clave del éxito. En mi opinión, deberíamos ser más ecológicos en nuestras decisiones diarias. You can also use the phrase pienso que. This one is similar to creo que, but it places a slightly more emphasis on personal thought processes. Pienso que el clima va a empeorar mañana. Pienso que deberíamos probar un enfoque diferente. Okay, let's go with more advanced phrases. The first one would be me parece que. Me parece que. This phrase expresses an opinion in a way that invites others to consider it without sounding too assertive. Let's see. Me parece que este libro es un poco complicado. Me parece que este libro es un poco complicado. Me parece que él tiene razón en lo que dice. Another one would be desde mi punto de vista. Desde mi punto de vista. This is a slightly more formal expression, and this is useful in debates or when you're discussing a subject or a different perspective. You would use desde mi punto de vista. Desde mi punto de vista, la política económica debe cambiar. Desde mi punto de vista, es importante escuchar a todas las partes. A mi juicio. A mi juicio. This phrase is very similar to en mi opinión, but it is used more in formal speech or when writing, especially when discussing complex issues. A mi juicio, es una decisión arriesgada, pero necesaria. Okay. Hello guys. As part of my daily routine, I like to practice 5 to 10 minutes each morning my French and German in the Learn app. So here's a quick tip for you. If you haven't done so, go right now to your App Store or Play Store and download the Learn app. You're gonna find it right away, so just type it, Learn, and then you're gonna find it. So it's a very good way for learning new languages. You can learn Spanish or French or German, and you're gonna have so much fun. So do it as part of your daily routine and you'll see how much you will improve your Spanish or any language you're trying.
Let's learn what to say when you want to exclude something in your dish. Sin is a Spanish word that means without. It is used to show that something is missing or absent. The opposite of sin is con. Helado sin azúcar. In helado sin azúcar, note that sin means without. So, the phrase translates to ice cream without sugar. It's used to request an ice cream that has no sugar added to it.
Okay, we need to complete the sentence. Ice cream without sugar, please.
Helado sin azúcar, por favor.
Perfect. Now translate this to Spanish. A lemonade without salt.
Una limonada sin sal.
Perfect. Okay, match the following. Sugar
Azúcar.
without,
Sin.
coffee
Café.
with.
Con.
Perfect. Okay, translate this to Spanish. A pizza with jalapenos.
Una pizza con jalapeños.
Now translate this sentence, okay? A lemonade without sugar and with salt.
Una. Sin. Y una limonada sin azúcar y con sal.
Okay, now we need to translate this to Spanish. Soda with salt.
Soda con sal. Soda sin sal. Soda con sal.
Perfect. True or false? Un café sin azúcar gets you a coffee without sugar. Very good. Translate to Spanish a sandwich without chicken.
Sin. Un sándwich sin pollo.
Translate the sentence. A coffee with sugar.
Un café con. Un café con azúcar.
Okay, let's continue with expressing agreement or disagreement. Estoy de acuerdo. Estoy de acuerdo. You're going to use this to show that you share someone else's opinion. Estoy de acuerdo con lo que dijiste sobre la tecnología. Estoy de acuerdo en que necesitamos más tiempo para terminar el proyecto. The opposite of that would be no estoy de acuerdo. Okay? You would use it for politely expressing disagreement. No estoy de acuerdo en que esa sea la mejor solución. You can also use the expression tienes razón. Tienes razón. This is a very useful way to acknowledge someone else's opinion while adding your own. Tienes razón. La presentación fue excelente. Tienes razón, pero creo que podríamos mejorar algunos aspectos. Now, let's see how we can express uncertainty or tentative opinions. For example, no estoy seguro, pero. No estoy seguro, pero. Okay? So you're going to use this phrase when you want to give an opinion, but you are unsure or you want to be cautious. No estoy seguro, pero creo que deberíamos revisar los datos de nuevo. A different one would be podría ser que. This is useful for expressing a possibility or an opinion that you're not fully certain of. Podría ser que él no haya recibido el mensaje. Podría ser que estemos malinterpretando la situación. Learning how to express your opinion in Spanish is essential for engaging in meaningful conversations and sharing your thoughts with confidence. Now, with these expressions, you will be able to navigate different social and professional contexts. You know, the key is to practice these phrases in real conversation. You can tailor them to suit the situation and to the level of formality. Okay? Well, buena suerte. You can express your opinion down here in the comments. I love to read you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button, save this video for future references, give us a thumbs up, share this video with a friend. Well, that would be it. Yo soy Lorena. Nos vemos a la próxima.